So this is just me test fitting the new PCV. No silicone, nothing. I'm just seeing what it fits like, if everything is right. I just aligned that in the middle, the notch. That's kind of how the old one used to be. There's no vacuum line on my car. It's 2008 328 XI N52N engine. I just used the old cap. Now the spring I will also reuse. It's right there. But I'm just test fitting. And actually, what's good is that it's a tight fit. Even now, it's not moving around. It's good. You kind of press down, so you bend this out the way. You press down on the bottom first, make sure that's fully seated. Then, well, obviously you would go around a few times, but let's see. 1 second, let me take this off. Here's what the valve looks like. I just got it off of Amazon because it seems like all of them are Chinese made. So I just got, usually I wouldn't do that, but I didn't see anything else for sale. So I just got it off of Amazon for like 12 bucks. But here is what it's gonna look like, the valve cover, once the old one's removed. Kind of clean it up a little bit, and that's basically it. At first, once I got to this point, I thought, oh my god, I'm also gonna have to take out all of the insides, because I thought this is gonna be too high, but that's not the case. Once you get to this point, that is it. I started bashing on the inside first with just the flathead and the hammer. And it took a while. I also used the heat gun to kind of soften the metal a little bit. Then I used the Dremel, or sorry, not a Dremel, a hacksaw. And I used it over there just a little bit. I kind of got this just a bit, but it's not a big deal. Actually, you can see the line right there where I got it. Then I got it over there and over there. I don't think it's necessary. It just helped to loosen it up. And then I went at a side like that, as flush as I could get it, you know, without going straight into the cover. And I kind of hammered it away. So that's how I did it. And yeah, I was gonna use epoxy actually, because I've seen instances where the vacuum kind of fluctuates. Probably happens when you let off on red line. I've seen like vacuum hoses getting blown away, unlike other engines. So I didn't want to really use silicone here. I just didn't want to risk this getting blown off on some weird vacuum situation. But maybe I will use actually silicone, like RTV, some good 3M stuff maybe, because I know I have something in the garage, so I'll see. But yeah, this fits pretty nicely here. I'm going in at an angle and kind of lining that one up. Obviously there's not much, it's not going to move around too much once it's in all the way. But yeah, pressing that down. Yeah, there it is. You can hear it kind of click in on the bottom. And let me do a quick check on the clearances. If I can actually get the camera to work. Maybe I'll make a second video with the wide lens. I might have to get those notches off, the plastic ones at the bottom, just to seat it all the way down, but maybe that's not even necessary actually. Because, let me see. That should be fine. This is the stuff you want to use. I haven't started yet, but you should be going with black RTV. Do not go with red. It's not for oil applications. It says that on the chart, and I've tried it myself, and red sucks. So this right here, Permatex black, 500 Fahrenheit temperature resistance. This one is 450. It's like an older model, 1158, but this should do well. So good luck. All right, so this is what I did. I put it in a vise, and I of course used only these parts for the vise, not the outside, because it's too soft. Anyway, I filled in all the way around, only the top, as in I didn't fill all the way into the bottom. It's way too much silicone. It's a waste, and you would need a bunch of it, maybe this whole thing, I don't know, to fill everything up. So this is only the top. I just went around, and then with my finger, as you can see, I went around only on focus. Fuck, come on. I only went around the outside. I didn't even do the upper lip. Only the outside, all the way around. You'll feel for any rough edges, fill those in as well. And yeah, you just don't want any silicone inside here. So that's about it. Once again, I'm making way too many videos, but anyway, there it is, sealed in. If you'd really want to, you could also go around the edge like that, but I don't think it matters. What's important to note is that the cleaner you're going to take out the old one, and the smoother the edges around it are, the less sealing it needs, because the fit is pretty tight. If you would take it out, if you would take out the old one absolutely flawlessly, you probably wouldn't even need any kind of sealing. So there you go. Do not forget to put the spring in. I forgot, and I broke the nipple off while taking it off. Good thing I don't need it, but reminder. Also, taking it off, it didn't come off easy at all. So silicone, RTV, it's definitely gonna hold it.